Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, the video is about Matchbox Ford Custom 300. Let's get into the past. The Ford Custom 300 was a classic American car from 1950s, designed with style and elegance. But today, we are focusing on the diecast version. Before we dive into the detail, let's unbox it. Looking at this diecast, Matchbox brought the Custom 300 to life with its vibrant blue paint and attention to detail. It has a cool chrome bumper, headlights, and you can see the Ford logo. How cool is that? The chrome bumper gives the car a sleek look. The interior also looks detailed. From the chrome accent to the rolling wheels, every detail is perfect. So, whether you are a Matchbox collector or just starting your journey, the Matchbox Ford Custom 300 is a must have. As this Matchbox Ford Custom 300 remains a standout diecast car. So, let me know your thoughts and leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more vintage diecast videos. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.